state government of Goa is not focused. Education is one of the most important subject along with health and so I am continuously in touch with the school authorities, and through MP-led fund we are trying to upgrade some schools, their labs. In some places they require robotic things, IT solutions, IT labs. So we are focusing on that so that it helps the students, because if the country has to march forward and the state has to march forward, we have to ensure that the students are exposed to the latest technology. So through MP-led fund, we have been involved in upgrading the IT labs of lot of schools. Plus we have given them boards, smart boards. There were smart boards given previously also. This year also we are focusing on smart boards because that is the future. Maybe something new will come later on. But आमचो focus on education, because finally students are the future. You give them good education, expose them to good technology. Once they pass out, when they go out, they step into the world, they should not find something new. They should be familiar. Yes, आमचे हांगा शिक्षण जाला, we are used to this technology. So that has been our focus.
Captain, there is a school in Canacona, St. Francis Xavier school. For that school, government is not giving any funds. What do you
It is what I have come to know. It is very, very petty politics. If need be, I will speak to that MLA who is the speaker, honorable speaker, Mr. Tavadkar. If need be, I will speak to him. Because education and bhedbhav asung upkana, discrimination aspak zaina. All children are the same. So the other school which is suffering, I have stepped ahead. Because some parents approached me, आमच्या इस्कॉलाक मातसो आधार दी, and whatever help is required, I will extend the help. Because इस्कॉल या MLA च्यान त्या MLA चे न्ही, school belongs to the children, it belongs to the future of the country.
No, the MLA has already given an NOC that he has no objection if that school is given grant. But the education department has still not, even this issue was raised in the assembly.
So I will try and find out who is behind this. If the education department is playing dirty and ensuring that that school does not get aid, or the salaries to the staff and teachers are not paid under that aided school scheme, then rest assured I will go after the education department officers and I will expose them. Because तांकां पगार कोणाचो मेवता? हे आवय बापायचो न्ही जी भुरगीं इस्कॉलाक धाडटा? I can challenge these education officers, sit in front of me and let's have a debate. You are playing with the future of the children. Otherwise, we will put a charge against them. Even after retirement, we will haunt them in their houses. These are the people who destroyed the education system of Goa. आणि आता पगार घेतात, हे पेन्शन घेतात लोकांचे, ज्या लोकांच्या भुरग्यांचो फुडार पाड घालो पळय तो. I don't mince words. We will go. It's a warning to those government officers who are playing truant and dirty with children. Even after your retirement, we will go after you.